I'm going to start by using my aqua micellar to cleanse my face. Now that I'm done cleansing, I'll be applying a moisturizer. I'm using the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor. I'm going to be applying a sunscreen. This sunscreen has a white tint to it because it contains zinc oxide. If you do not want colors to your sunscreen, try going for a chemical sunscreen. Now I'm going to be applying my rose water primer. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'll be blending this out with my beauty sponge. I'm going to be applying concealer to the highest points on my face. I'm going to be blending out with the same sponge I use in blending out my foundation. A little bit on the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to set with a powder. If you'd like to know how I did my brows, I'll be putting a link in the description to a very detailed brow tutorial. Now I'm going to be bronzing. I'm going to apply blush on top of that on my cheeks. I'm going to go over that with a highlighter, just very softly. Lining my waterline. I'll be going all over my lids with a light brown eyeshadow. I'm going to darken the crease a bit. I did a thicker liner because I'm not going to be wearing any false lashes. I'm going to be applying a little bit of highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm applying a finishing powder for final touch-up. Since I'm not wearing any false lashes, I'm just going to be applying mascara to my lashes. Now I'm going to be lining my lips with a brown lip pencil. I'm gonna apply a gloss over that. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, I'll be putting a link in the description and ensure that you check it out. I did my brows off camera. I'll be putting a brow tutorial link in the description. Subscribe to me if you haven't, and if you enjoyed the video, please give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.